Thank you. It was funny to hear Kirk talking about her taking unconventional paths and unconventional choices. In 12th grade, my high school English teacher called me an iconoclast. I had to go look it up. But it turned out to be true, and it's certainly been my experience throughout my career that making choices that were unconventional or challenged the conventional wisdom have proven to be pretty good. Including it at my current company, Avila Therapeutics, and I have my colleagues out here somewhere, I'm not sure where you are, but grateful to have them here. And it's a company that I think very much exemplifies what's great about being in technology and what's exciting about being in biotech in particular. We are definitely going against the grain in terms of the kinds of science and drugs that we're pursuing. And one of the most exciting moments for us is always when you can see somebody's mind change from being a skeptic to being interested and then being an advocate in what we're doing. So that's what's exciting about being in technology at a broad level, but at a moment-to-moment level, what you really hope is to have moments like I was able to have in, oh gosh, it's probably about 10 years ago now, Biogen, when I'd been associated with a program where we did a deal to bring in this product, hopefully a product, it was in development. We'd spent, I don't know, a few $100 million on it, just a small little bet. It had years to go before it was going to be a drug. But there was a moment when the head of the clinical group, Nancy Simonian, brought a few of us into a room, put a graph on an overhead. It was the days of overheads. And you could see in the data from that phase 2 trial that this was a drug. And it was a profoundly intense moment because it ultimately is a drug that became Tysabri, which really helped change therapy for multiple sclerosis patients. So that's why I'm where I am every day. It's that hope that I'll have another moment or two like that of really helping create a drug that will help patients that don't have good options today. So hopefully I know that's why my colleagues are here. They're giving me time, so I think I have to write a check now. But thanks again, and thanks also to Imran Nasrullah over at Mass Biotech, who nominated me for this. It's really very, very much an honor. Thanks.